revision 6, question number 26. I'll read the question, listen carefully. Diameter of a cylinder A is 7 centimeter and height is 14 centimeter. Diameter of another cylinder B, capital B. Okay, because this question, okay, we are going to deal with two cylinder. For one cylinder, the name is given as A. This is cylinder A. Okay, whenever you are coming across this type of questions, please draw the diagram. Then it will be easy to understand the question. So there are two cylinder. So first one is cylinder A. This is cylinder A, and this is cylinder B. Now the diameter of the cylinder A is given as. This is diameter. Okay, diameter of the cylinder A is 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter, and height is 14 centimeter. Height of cylinder A is 14 centimeter. Likewise, diameter of another cylinder B is 14 centimeter. See here, the diameter is 14. So this is somewhat bigger. Okay, this is 14 centimeter. Diameter is 14 centimeter, and height of cylinder B is the opposite. That is 7. It is 7 centimeter. Listen, this is rough diagram only. Okay, this diagram seems to be same, right? But don't worry. It is just the rough diagram. Here, diameter of A. Listen, so I can give the name like this. Diameter is usually denoted by capital D. In suffix, in here I'm going to mention it A because this is diameter of cylinder A. That is 7 centimeter. And likewise, here diameter of cylinder B is equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, and height is denoted by H, small h. So height of cylinder A is equal to 14 centimeter. And height of cylinder B is equal to 7 centimeter. So these are the details given in the question. Which have more volume, A or B? They are asking which cylinder will have more volume. You have to find the volume of both the cylinder. Listen, we have to find the volume of both the cylinder, and you have to compare and tell which cylinder, that is cylinder A or cylinder B, which is having more volume. So please write the given data. Diagram. Actually, these diagrams are not mandatory, but you can draw if you want. Okay, it will be nice if you draw the diagram. Okay, shall I proceed, ma?
Wait,
shall I proceed? Have you all written the given data, ma?
Writing, sir.
Writing. Okay, I'll wait. Write fast.
Done, sir.
Nice. Okay. Okay, listen, everyone, listen, ma. 1 minute, I will stop the sharing. Okay. Listen here. Okay, listen, ma. See here. See, I'm having a cylindrical shape. Okay. Okay. Cup in my hand. See, for this, the volume. Okay. Yesterday, I have taught you what is the formula for curved surface area. Okay. This is the curved surface part. How to find the curved surface area of the cylinder? It is very simple because the circumference of the base. What is the circumference of the base? Circle. It is in the shape of circle, right? The base is in the shape of circle. The circumference of circle is 2 pi r. When this circumference of the base, that is 2 pi r, when multiplied with height, you will get the curved surface area. Similarly, to find the volume of a cylinder, what you have to do is you have to first find what is. You all know the base is in the shape of circle. The base is in the shape of a circle. So what is the area of circle?
Pi r square.
Pi r square. Listen, the area of this circle is pi r square. When this pi r square is multiplied by height, you will get the volume of the cylinder. Are you able to understand, ma? So this is base area. When this base area is multiplied by height, you will get the volume of the cylinder. Okay, this is therefore volume of cylinder formula is pi r square into h. Okay, now listen. Listen here now. So we have to find the volume of cylinder and check whether which cylinder, that is cylinder A or cylinder B, which is having more volume. So that first I will write the volume of cylinder formula. We know that WKT, listen carefully, this is, we know that volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cylinder. What is the formula for volume of cylinder? That is base area into height. Base area is nothing but pi r square because base is in the shape of a circle. So pi r square into height is h. So pi r square h is the formula for finding volume of cylinder. Now we are going to find the volume of cylinder A as well as cylinder B. So volume of cylinder A, volume of cylinder A, which is equal to pi into r radius of cylinder. That is, we can write it as r suffix B, r square, pi r square into h. Sorry, this is A, right? Cylinder A, r A square and h A square. Now we don't know the radius because the diameter is given. With the help of diameter, we can find the radius. So radius of cylinder A is equal to diameter by 2. What is diameter here? 7. So that is 7 by 2. The formula of radius is d by 2. That is diameter divided by 2. Likewise, what is the radius of what is it? Cylinder B. What is the radius of cylinder B, ma? I'll write it here. What is radius of cylinder B? The diameter is 14. So 14 by 2. What is 14 by 2?
7.
7 centimeter. So the radius is, the radius of cylinder B is 7 centimeter. And the radius of cylinder A is 7 by 2. This is 7. Now we have to apply this. Now here we have to apply the radius of cylinder A, that is 7 by 2. Now I'm going to apply the value. So which is equal to pi is 22 by 7 into radius of cylinder A square, right? Radius square. Radius square means radius into radius. That is radius of cylinder A is 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 the whole square I can write, or else 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. The meaning of square, that is 2 square means 2 into 2. Likewise, r radius square means r into r. R is 7 by 2 for cylinder A. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into what is the height of cylinder? What is the height of cylinder A, ma? That is 14, right? 14. So that is 14 square means, see here in the place of h, we have to put 14. So 14 square can be expressed as 14 into 14. I'm not writing 14 square. Instead, I'm writing 14 into 14. Are you able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen, we have to simplify this. So 7 gets cancelled. This 7 in the numerator and this 7 in the denominator gets cancelled. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Next, this 2 ones are 2, 7 2s are 14. 2 ones are 2, 2 7s are 14, right? 2 and 14 we can cancel it using 2 table. Likewise, 2 ones are 2 and 2 7s are 14. Now in the denominator all the numbers are 1 and 1 1 1 1 1. So if everything in the denominator is 1 means, so we can multiply the numerator now. So 22 into 7 into 7 into 7. 22 into 7 into 7 into 7. What is the answer you will get, ma? First we can multiply this 7 into 7 into 7, then we can multiply by 22. So 22 into 7 7s are 49. What is 7 into 49? Is it 343? Yes or no? That is 7 cube. 7 into 7 into 7. The answer is 343. Now we have to multiply 22 and 7, 343. What is the answer you will get, ma, when you multiply 22 and 343? Okay, I'm writing the answer. Please check whether it is correct or wrong. Okay, the answer is 7,000. You have to do, okay, 7,546.
46.
Okay, 7,546. This is the volume of cylinder A. The unit of volume will be always, okay, cubic units. Here everything is given in centimeter, so then the unit is centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. You can write centimeter cube. So this is volume of cylinder A. Volume of cylinder A. Okay, so we got the volume of cylinder A. Similarly, we have to find the volume of cylinder B. Please write fast, right up to this step. Finding volume of cylinder A. Okay, the formula for finding volume of cylinder is pi r square h. For finding the volume of cylinder A, we have to use the radius of cylinder A as well as height of cylinder A. Radius of cylinder A is 7 by 2 and height of cylinder A is 14. Once you have completed up to this, please tell me. I'll proceed.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Now listen. Now we have to find the value of the answer for volume of cylinder B. So volume of cylinder B. First, I'll write the formula cylinder B, which is equal to the same formula pi r square h. Okay, this is the formula for finding volume of cylinder pi r square h. So this is for radius of cylinder B, right? So I'll put it here RB. So pi r square into h. Sorry, 1 minute. I made a mistake. Sorry. Oh, I made a mistake. Can anyone tell me what mistake I have made in this step? There is a very big mistake I have made. The formula is pi r square h, but I have written here pi r
yes,
square
sir.
into h square. This is not square. This is a mistake, ma. Please change. So only 114 will come here. Please, ma. Please cut this. Okay, this is not only 114 will come. Therefore, 22 into. Actually, this is it. This itself wrong, ma. I'll do it again. Please. Okay. Okay, please cut that, ma. And do it. Write it again. Which is equal to pi is 22 by 7. R square is, listen, radius of cylinder A is 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. That is R square means R into R. That is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into H only. It is not H square. So H is, what is height of cylinder A, ma? Height of cylinder A is 14, right?
14.
14. Now we can cancel this. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. Now this 2 ones are 2, 11 twos are 22. 2 11s are 22. 2 ones are 2 and 2 11s are 22. Now all the denominators are 1. Now 11 into 1 into 7 into 7. So that is 11 into 49. Because 7 into 7 is 49. So what is 11 into 49?
1078.
No. It is like somewhere around 500. It is above 500. It is 869. What is the answer for 11 into 49? It is 869. Therefore, volume of cylinder A is 869 centimeter cube. Sorry, I'm really sorry. Made a mistake in the calculation. Okay, it is 869 centimeter cube. Please, please change. The formula is pi r square into h. Pi r square h. I will change the answer, ma. Please change the answer.
Sir,
Yes, ma. Yes, what is
that
your doubt?
11 into 49, 539 I got, sir, that answer.
Sorry. Here also again. It is, you are correct. Okay, this is not. It is 500
39.
539, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is it correct, ma'am? Anybody got the same answer for 11
Yes,
into 49? 11 into 49, right? Yeah, 539
Yes,
is the
sir.
right answer. 539. Therefore, the volume of cylinder A is 539 centimeter cube. Yeah, correct. Okay, 539 centimeter cube is volume of cylinder A. Okay, shall we proceed, ma? Finding the volume of cylinder B.
Yes, sir.
Okay, volume of cylinder B is again the same formula pi r square into h. Here, this is the radius of cylinder B, so I am using here B, and this is the height of cylinder B, so hb. Listen, pi r square into h. Now we have to substitute the values. Pi is 22 by 7. Now the radius of cylinder B is, what is the radius of cylinder B, ma? 7, right? Because diameter of cylinder B is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So the radius of cylinder B is 7. Okay, so 7. Therefore, r square is there. R square means r into r. That is 7 into 7. Radius into radius. Into what is the height of cylinder B, ma? That is also
7.
That is also 7. See here, height of cylinder B is also 7. Please mute. Please mute. So height of cylinder B is also 7. Now we can cancel this. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Now what we have? 22 into 7 into 7 is 49. What is 22 into 49? Anybody got the answer now for 22 into 49?
Wow, 1078, sir.
1078. Very good. Thank you. So what is the unit for volume of cylinder B? Centimeter?
1000,
Centimeter cube. Okay, volume is always cubic units. Here the unit is given in centimeter, so centimeter cube. Now please check. We can compare now. So which is having more volume? Volume of cylinder B or cylinder A?
cylinder B.
Cylinder B.
sir.
Okay, that is what they are asking here. Okay, in the question they ask which have more volume, A or B. Therefore, finally you have to write, because the volume of cylinder B is 1078 and the volume of cylinder A is 539. Okay, the volume of cylinder A is 539. Hence, the cylinder, okay, hence cylinder B has more volume than cylinder A. Has more volume than cylinder A. This is the answer, ma. Cylinder B is having more volume than cylinder A. Yes, ma. Completed. I'm not able to hear you. Please type in the chat box, ma. I'm not able to hear you. Your voice is not clear.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, scroll a bit up.
Okay, ma. 1 minute. Is it okay? This step?
No, sir, a bit that volume of cylinder B there.
You're writing volume of cylinder B.
Sir.
Okay, is it okay now? Now it is visible, right?
Yes, sir, okay.
Okay, please write fast. Okay, in question, diameter is given. We have to find the radius. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, d by 2. Okay, next ma. Next, which question you want me to teach? Any question? You can tell me, ma. I'll teach. Completed, ama. Okay, now. Next, which question? Any doubts? Sorry, ma. Question number 7. 27. Next one. Next question. 27, right? Okay, 27, right? The next one. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, 27. Thank you. Okay, we'll see 27th question now. Okay, listen. Question number 27. All of you write question number 27. Question number 27. I'll read the question. Find the height of a cylinder whose volume is 1.54 centimeter cube and the diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. Okay, listen. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, find the height of a cylinder. Listen. First, we have to write the given data. Whatever the data is given here is volume of cylinder is given. Volume of cylinder is given. Volume of cylinder is equal to, what is the value of volume of cylinder here, ma? 1.54 centimeter cube. 1.54 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cylinder. And the diameter of the base is given. So diameter of the cylinder is given. Diameter is equal to 140 centimeter. So these are the two data. They are asking us to find. What do you have to find, ma? Height. Height of the cylinder. Simply I'll write height. Now listen. Since the diameter is given, we can find the radius. How to find the radius? What is the formula for finding radius if diameter is given? Radius r is equal to
D by 2.
Okay, diameter is d. Radius r is equal to d by 2. Diameter divided by 2, which is equal to diameter is 140 centimeter. 140 divided by 2, which is equal to 140 by 2 is 2 ones are 2. Here 2 7s are 14. You have to put this 0. So the answer is 70 by only 70. Therefore, the value of r is equal to, that is radius is equal to 70 centimeter. Please write up to this. Okay, radius is equal to 70 centimeter. Radius is equal to 70 centimeter. Have you all completed to this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next what we have to do is with the help of our radius and volume, we have to find the height. Okay. One more time, I'll write the okay data, that is volume. Volume is given as volume of cylinder is equal to, this given as 1.54 centimeter cube. 1.54 centimeter cube. Now we have to just below this, in the place of volume of cylinder, I'm going to replace it by its formula. What is the formula for volume of cylinder? Pi r square into h. So pi r square into h is 1.54. Am I right? The value of pi r square h is 1.54. It is given. That is volume of cylinder. Now we have to replace the known values in the left hand side. So pi r square into h is equal to 1.54. That is volume of cylinder is 1.54. I'm replacing this volume of cylinder by its formula. Now replacing the known values. The value of pi is 22 by 7. Okay, 22 by 7, which implies 22 by 7 into, what is the value of radius? Radius is 70, right? So r square means 70 square. The meaning of 70 square is 70 into 70. Or else we can directly write 70 into 70 into h, which is equal to 1.54. Which is equal to 1.54. Now I'm going to write 22 by 7 into 70 square means the meaning is 70 into 70. 70 into 70 into h is equal to 1.54. 1.54. Now we have to find the value of h. H is unknown. Okay, h is unknown. Now this h alone you have to keep it at the left hand side, and all the remaining numbers you have to take it to the opposite side, that is to the right hand side. To find the value of the unknown, that is h. Okay, whenever you are going to find an unknown in an equation, okay, in that equation you have to keep that unknown at the left hand side, and all the remaining numbers you have to move to the right hand side, that is the opposite side. Before moving, I will simplify this. 7 ones are 7, 7 tens are 70. 7 tens are 70. Therefore, we have 22 into 10 into 70. So 22 into 10 into 70 is 22 into 10 is 220. 22 into 10 is 220. 220 into 70 into h, which is equal to 1.54. Which is equal to 1.54 centimeter cube. Right? Now we have to multiply this 220 into 70. What is 220 into 70? What is 7 into 22? Can anyone tell me? What is 7 into 22? Is it 154, right? This 7 into 22 is 154. And we have to put these two zeros. Here also 1 0, here also 1 0 is there. So this is the answer for 220 into 70. Therefore, 220 into 70 is 15400 into h, which is equal to 1.54, which is equal to 1.54. Now what we have to do is we have to find the value of h, the unknown. So I'm going to take this 15400, that is 15,400, to the opposite side. It becomes division because it is in multiplication over here. When it is taken to the opposite side, it becomes division. Therefore, h is equal to 1.54 divided by 15,400 divided by 15,400. Now I'll teach you how to divide a decimal number by a number which is greater than that number. I'll teach you. Okay, this now we have to simplify this. We have to find the value of h. Therefore, h is equal to, see here, I'm going to divide 1.54 by 15,400. Okay, so how I'm going to do it is this. 1 minute, 1 minute. Listen carefully, ma. This is, I will teach you in a different way. 1.54 divided by this 15,400 has no decimal point, right? So what I'm going to do it is, I can write this, listen, ma. Before that, I'll explain a simple thing for you. 150 can be expressed as 15 into 10. Is it correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Likewise, 1,500 can be expressed as 15 into 100. 15 into 100. You know this. Likewise, here 15400 is that. So 15400 can be expressed as 154 into 100. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So 154 into 100. Similarly, listen, it is very, very important. Similarly, okay, similarly, this 154, okay, this 15400 can be expressed as 154 times 100. That is only 15,400. Now this 154 can be expressed as 1.54 into 100. Am I right? Because 1.54 into 100 is nothing but 154. Whenever you are multiplying a number by 100, the decimal point will move. We have to shift the decimal point 2 digit right side. Therefore, 1.54 into 100 is nothing but 154. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody having doubt in this? Yes, ma.
1.54 is not centimeter.
Sorry?
1.54 is not centimeter, it's meter cube. Meter cube.
Not able to hear you. Sorry, ma. Not able to hear you. What you are saying?
Meter cube.
Listen, ma. For example, 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Listen.
Excuse me, sir.
Sorry? Yeah. Ask it out.
That 1.4 is not cm, sir. It is meter cube. 1.54.
1.54?
It is meter cube, sir.
It is given in meter cube.
Yes, we need to convert it into centimeter, sir.
But what you have said, sir, the question you have said to me is given in centimeter cube.
Mister.
Printing mistake.
Printing mistake. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, okay, listen, ma. Listen. So it is 1.54. Then, okay, no problem, ma. Okay, I'll teach now. Listen carefully. See here, ma. Printing mistake is there. Okay, I'll correct it now. Listen carefully. Volume of cylinder is not actually. It is 1.54 centimeter cube only. It is printed, but you are saying it is not centimeter cube. It is meter cube, right? So if it is given in meter cube, means you have to convert it into centimeter cube, because the diameter is given in centimeter. Therefore, the radius is also in centimeter. Therefore, either we have to convert this diameter to centimeter, meter, or this meter cube to centimeter cube. Listen carefully. The correct value is, listen, this is wrong. The correct value of volume of cylinder is 1.54 meter cube. 1.54 meter cube. Now I will teach you how to convert this 1.54 meter cube into centimeter cube. Okay, I will teach you into centimeter cube. 1 minute, listen here, ma. I'll do it here. Listen. So what is 1 meter, ma? What is the value of 1 meter in terms of centimeter? 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter.
100. 10.
100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter, ma? 100 centimeter. This is the basic conversion. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Now listen. So 1 meter cube means the meaning of 1 meter cube is 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. That is the meaning of 1 meter cube. 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter is nothing but 1 meter cube, because 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. And meter into meter into meter is meter cube. Okay, this is the meaning of 1 meter cube. Actually, the volume 1 meter cube means if there is a cube having all the sides as 1 meter. If a cube is having the length 1 meter means this is 1 meter, length, breadth, that is also 1 meter, and the height is also 1 meter, means the volume inside this volume is called as 1 meter cube volume. This is 1 meter cube volume. Now 1 meter cube is equal to, listen, 1 meter cube can be expressed as 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter, because side into side into side. Okay, all the sides of okay, that is length, breadth, and height are equal. That is 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. Then the volume is 1 meter cube. It is called as 1 meter cube. Now I can replace this 1 meter by 100 centimeter, and this 1 meter by 100 centimeter, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and this 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Now we can write it as 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. Now listen, 100 into 100 into 100 means we have to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. We have to put how many zeros, ma? 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means it is 10 lakh centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. What is the answer? Centimeter cube. Therefore, 1 meter cube is nothing but 1 lakh centimeter cube. Sorry, 10 lakh. It is not 1 lakh, it is 10 lakh. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 meter cube is how many centimeter cube? It is 10 lakh centimeter cube.
Yeah. 10 lakh.
Therefore, we have to convert, actually in the question, okay, we have did it incorrectly, because actual question is 1.54 meter cube. So 1.54 meter cube, how to convert it into centimeter cube is very simple. 1.54 meter cube, we know what is 1 meter cube. The meaning of 1.54 meter cube is nothing but 1.54 times 1 meter cube. Am I right? 1.54 meter cube means we can write it as 1.54 times 1 meter cube. For example, 7 meter cube means 7 times 1 meter cube. Likewise, we can split. Now 1.54 into, we know what is 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube is 10 lakh centimeter cube. So 1.54 into 10 lakh centimeter cube. So 1.54 into 10 lakh means, see here, 10 lakh has how many zeros? 1 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 10 lakh has 1 and 6 zeros. Therefore, this decimal point has to be shifted. This decimal point has to be shifted how many digits? To 6 digits to the right side. How many digits to the right side, ma? The decimal point has to be shifted 6 digits. Listen, 1.54. In this 1.54, we have to shift the decimal point to 6 digits right side. So 1, 2, I have shifted 2 digits, but we have to further shift 4 more digits. But there is no digits, right? So we have to put 4 digits, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to shift now. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the decimal point is at the right end. Therefore, 1.54 into 10 lakh is equal to 154 4 zeros. Therefore, the answer is 15,40,000 centimeter cube. 15,40,000 centimeter cube. Are you able to understand, ma?
Yes, sir.
So this is the answer for 1.54 meter cube. So 1.54 meter cube is 15,40,000 centimeter cube. 15,40,000 centimeter cube. If anybody have doubt, please ask. I will explain it again. Okay, this involves all the basic concepts. Conversion. Okay, basic conversion concepts. Okay, I am applying here. Now listen, in the question, wherever we are using 1.54, that place and all, we are going to replace it by 15,40,000. Then we will get the final answer. Okay, okay, wherever we are writing 1.54 in the question, please change it as 15,40,000, because the question they are given in meter cube, but we have to substitute in centimeter cube. The reason is diameter is given on centimeter. Therefore, the radius is also in centimeter. Shall I do the remaining part, ma, of the sum?
Yes, sir.
Now listen carefully, ma. So everywhere, listen carefully. I'm going to mark in that all the places. See here from the starting itself. Here also in the instead of 1.54, you have to write 15,40,000. This place, everything. Okay, please change it into 15,40,000. Please change it into 15,40,000. Wherever I'm putting down. Therefore, from this step onwards, I'll do it again. Okay, therefore, H is equal to. Therefore, H is equal to 15,40,000. 15,40,000 divided by what we have, ma? Divided by 15,400. Divided by 15,400. Divided by 15,400. 15,400. Now see here, we can cancel this 0, 0, 0, 0. Now we have 15400 divided by 154. So we can cancel it easily, right? 15400, which means, sorry, it is not only 2 zeros. It is 15,400 divided by 154. Therefore, 154 ones are 154. Here also 154 ones are 154. We have 2 more zeros here. Therefore, 100 into 154 is 15,400. Hence, the value of height is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, the height of the cylinder is 100 centimeter. Are you able to understand this? Is it easy, ma?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, good. Good. So please note down. If you have any doubt in the basic concepts like conversion of units, I'm ready to explain. You can ask. First, complete the answer, ma. Up to H is equal to 100 centimeter, and then I'll clarify it out. Okay, this is the answer, ma. Anybody want to write the previous slide?
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, good. What about others? Therefore, the height of the cylinder is 100 centimeter. Hence, the height of the cylinder is 100 centimeter. Like that, you have to conclude in the final step.
Done, sir.
Done. Any doubts, mind this question? Anything, any clarification you want, you can ask now. If there is no doubts, right? Shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next, which question you want me to teach? Which question, ma? Please go through the question and ask your doubt. Okay, someone has typed in the chat box. Question number 28. Okay, thank you. Now I'll teach question number 28. Question number 28. The next question. Find the surface area of the cylinder whose radius of the base is 7 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. Okay, first subdivision I'll do, ma. Listen, we have to find the surface area of the cylinder. Listen carefully, ma. Again, one more time, listen. I'll stop the sharing, okay? Please, I'll 1 minute. Listen. So this is a cylinder, okay, cylindrical shape. If they are asking you to find the surface area, simply they are asking surface area. So surface means it includes curved surface. This portion, this is curved surface. The place where I am holding this cylinder, this is curved surface, and the bottom and the top, okay, both are flat. Okay, bottom and the top. So this is curved surface. This alone is called as curved surface, and including the bottom and top, we have to say that is total surface area. That is total surface area. But sometimes they'll simply mention surface area. Surface area means you have to find total surface area. If they are asking you to find the surface area, means you have to find the total surface area. But specifically, if they ask you to find curved surface area, means they'll mention it there. Find curved surface area. then only you have to find this area, this part alone. If they are asking you to find the surface area, means it is not curved surface area. Okay, that means simply surface area is given, means you have to find total surface area including bottom, top, and the curved part. Okay, that one only we have to find. That means total surface area formula. I have already taught you what is the total surface area of the cylinder, right? Do anyone remember what is the total surface area of cylinder?
2 pi r square 8.
Okay, and 2 pi r
Square 8.
2 pi r square h. No, it is not 2 pi r square h. Total surface area of cylinder, TSH, in short, total surface area of cylinder. Try to recall the formula. I'll say 2 pi r,
Pi r in r plus h.
into r plus h or h plus r. It is up to you. 2 pi r into r plus h or into h plus r. R plus h and h plus r both are same, right? Addition is commutative. So this is the formula for finding total surface area of the cylinder. Simply they are asking you to find the surface area, means that means it is total surface area. Okay. Now in the first subdivision, the given data are, what are the given data? Radius of the base is given. What is radius? 7 centimeter. Sorry, 7 meter. No. Radius is given as 7 meter, and height is given as 10 meter. Now radius and height are given. We have to find the surface area. Therefore, surface area is equal to, surface area means total surface area only. Surface area of cylinder. Surface area of cylinder is equal to, we have to first write the formula, that is 2 pi r into r plus h. This is the formula. Please memorize the formula. 2 pi r into r plus h. Now we have to replace the values, substitute the values for r and h. So 2 into, what is the value of pi? Pi is 22 by 7 into r. What is r here in the question? 7 into bracket open r plus h. That is 7 plus, what is h here? 10. 7 plus 10. Bracket closed. This is 2 into pi into r plus h. Inside the bracket r plus h. Now we can cancel this. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Now 2 into 22 is 44 into 7 plus 10 is 17. Now we can remove the bracket, or you can write this 17 inside the bracket. It is up to you. Now 44 into 17. Please find the answer and tell me what is 44 into 17. Into
748.
748. Very good. 748. What is the unit? Here the radius and everything is given in radius and height are given in meter. So what is the answer? It is area. Area means square units. That is meter square. Since the dimensions are given in meter, so meter square is the unit for area. Unit for volume is meter cube. Okay, that is cubic units. This is square units. That is meter square. This is the answer now. Therefore, surface area of the cylinder is surface area. Hence, the surface area of the cylinder is 748 meters square. Like that, you can write finally. Hence, the surface area of the cylinder is 748 meters square. Okay, now second subdivision. Shall we proceed the second one? Second subdivision.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second subdivision also, it is the the same question, that is finding the volume of cylinder only. But the data are okay. Here the data is, the radius is given as 4. Okay, in the second subdivision, radius is given as r is equal to 4 meter and height is given as 5.6 meter. Now we have to find the value of surface area. Surface area means total surface area. Therefore, surface area is equal to, simply I'll write surface area is equal to, the formula is 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h or h plus r. Okay, which is equal to, now you have to replace the values. So 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into, what is r? R here it is 4 into bracket open r plus h. R is 4 plus, what is height? H one 5.6. This is 5.6. Now we have to simplify this. See here, we can cancel 7 and 4 because 7 and 4 has no common factor. Okay, now as well as 7 and 2 also having no common factor, 7 and 22 also have no common factor. Therefore, we have to directly multiply 2 into 22 is 44. 44 into 4. What is 44 into 4? What is the answer? 44 into 4.
176.
176.
176 divided by, we have 7. Divided by 7 into this 4 plus 5.6 is 9.6 into 9.6. 4 plus, okay, 4 plus 5.6 is 9.6. Now we have to multiply 176 and 9.6 and then finally divided by 7. So what is 176 into 9.6? 176 into 9.6. Find the answer. One 76 into 9.6. Multiplying these two numbers, 176 into 9.6. Please do it in the rough column. That divided by 7. Anyone got the answer means please tell me.
Sir, is it 16906?
Sorry,
16906.
16906. No.
Sir, I got 1689.6.
Okay, very good. 1689.6 is the right answer. Very good. So this is the right answer, ma. 176 into 9.66 is 1689.6. Okay, now we have to divide it by, this number has to be divided by which number? 7 to get the final answer. Okay, I'll write the final answer. Please check it later. When you divide this by 7, you will get 241.37. Okay, after decimal point, try to find minimum 2 digits after the decimal point. So this is the answer for surface area of the cylinder. Therefore, the unit is meter square. Okay, this is the surface area of the cylinder. Surface area of the cylinder. Okay, please write down. This is the answer.
Done, sir.
Completed, Amma. Listen, third subdivision, height is given, but the radius is not given directly. Instead, they have given perimeter. So I will teach you how to do this sum. Okay, this is homework for you. Everyone should do, but I'll just explain this third subdivision. Third subdivision, you have to do it by the same method, but here the base perimeter is given. What is the base of the cylinder, ma? Perimeter means the total length of the boundary. Here base perimeter is given. What is the base? What is the shape of the base, ma? That is circle, right? The base of the cylinder is in the shape of circle. Therefore, what is the perimeter formula for circle? Usually we will not use the word perimeter for circle. We will use circumference. So that is the same formula. What is the circumference of circle? 2 pi.
2 pi.
This is the circumference of circle. That is the perimeter of the base. Perimeter of the base, because the base of the cylinder is in the shape of a circle. Therefore, for circle, the perimeter formula is 2 pi r. That is the same as circumference. This is also called as circumference. So in this formula, this value is given. So base perimeter is given as, therefore 2 pi r is equal to, what is the value of base perimeter here? 85. Okay, base perimeter is given as 85. Listen, directly we can take, the formula for base perimeter is 2 pi r. This is the formula for finding the base perimeter. Therefore 2 pi r is equal to 85. But we don't know what is radius r here, right? Radius is not known. But one thing we can do, listen carefully. With the help of this 2 pi r is equal to 85, we can simplify this and find the value of r. So I can replace the value of 2 and pi. So 2 into pi is 22 by 7. into R we don't know, which is equal to 85. Now keep this R in the left hand side and take this 2 and 22 by 7 to the opposite side. What will you get? So 2 into 22 by 7 is, that is 2 into 22 is 44. So 44 by 7 into R is equal to 85. Into R is equal to 85. Now we have to take this 44 by 7 to the opposite side. What you'll get is R is equal to 85. This, okay, rational number which is in multiplication, when taken to the opposite side, it gets reciprocal. It becomes 7 by 44. You know this, right? Because this 7 goes to the numerator and this 44 comes to the denominator. Now you have to simplify this and find the value of R. Please simplify this and find the value of R. Okay, this is homework now. Simplify this and find the value of R. Using this R, and the height is already given in the question, that is 12 meter. Find the surface area of the cylinder. Will you be able to do the sum?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is
Yes.
homework.
Yes.
This is the only some homework today. Okay, please do it and post the answer in the group. Okay, the remaining steps you have to do. Find the value of R. After finding the value of R, you have to substitute the value of R and H in surface area formula and find the surface area of the cylinder. Perimeter of the base means that is nothing but 2 pi R, because the base is in the shape of circle. For circle, the perimeter that is also called a circumference. That is, the formula is 2 pi R. Okay. We will complete it up to this, ma. R is equal to 85 into 7 by 44.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, so tomorrow we'll continue, ma. Okay, the remaining sums or any questions. Okay, any other doubt? Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.